$5,751. That's what I was able to do in a single day, less than 24 hours actually, with David Dekel's Profits Passport system. It is without a doubt the best system I have ever used in all of my years of affiliate marketing. It is completely done for you, and it blows me away. You don't have to make your own web pages. You don't have to write your own emails. You don't have to shoot your own videos. You don't have web hosting fees. I mean, it is completely done for you. David does all the work. We get all the commissions. It's not just a tagline. It actually is the case. And it is one of the first programs I've ever seen where I actually see newbies winning. People that are just breaking into the industry. It's their first time doing any sort of program like this, and they're making commissions and they don't even have to do the work. I mean, it's literally a beautiful thing. So I wanted to thank David Dekel for putting this amazing system together. It has made me a lot of money. Just in this last month, I've done over $10,000 with $5,700 of that being done in a single day. And I'm just getting warmed up. This thing is awesome. You really need to get aboard this program. So David, thank you very much. I truly appreciate this program and all the hard work you put into it, all the technology. It is a revolutionary game changer. I've never seen anything like it, and I can't wait to just push it to the max. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.